Many writers have several unfinished ideas, but the key to progress is choosing one piece to finish. It is easy for writers to collect ideas. A new book concept appears one day, a journal idea comes the next, and then another content project suddenly feels exciting. Over time, many writers end up with folders full of unfinished drafts, scattered notes, and half-completed projects. The problem is not always a lack of creativity. Often, the problem is too many directions at once. When you try to work on too many writing projects at the same time, it becomes difficult to focus. Your energy becomes divided. Your attention constantly shifts and progress slows down. Instead of finishing one meaningful piece, you stay trapped between multiple unfinished ideas. That is why choosing one writing piece matters. You do not need to finish everything right now. You only need to decide what matters most in this season. Ask yourself, which idea keeps returning to my mind? Which piece has the clearest purpose? Which message feels important to share? Which project could genuinely help my audience? Which piece can I realistically complete with the time and energy I currently have? These questions help you identify the writing piece that deserves your attention first. Your signature piece does not need to be perfect before you commit to it. It only needs your focus. Many writers delay finishing because they believe the work must become extraordinary immediately. But strong writing is usually built through consistency, revision, and steady progress over time. Once you choose one piece, give it structure. Break the project into smaller, manageable steps. Instead of thinking about the entire book, focus on one chapter. Instead of thinking about an entire content strategy, focus on one post. Instead of trying to perfect everything, focus on completing the next domino in front of you. The Domino Effect Writing System teaches writers to move step by step, instead of trying to carry the weight of the entire project all at once. Small actions build momentum. Momentum builds confidence, and confidence helps writers keep moving forward. Finishing does not happen through pressure. It happens through focus and consistency. Every completed paragraph, outline, or page becomes proof that progress is happening. Over time, those small steps turn unfinished ideas into completed work. Finishing begins with choosing. Choose one piece, commit to the next step, and let progress build from there. Follow for encouragement and simple writing steps that help you finish what you start.